Hello friends, so in that video we have to see how to make different types of opening in our slab, floors and walls. So for that I want to make one multi-story building. For that I have to set the levels. Suppose I have make something 8-story building or that kind. Now I want to set to level 1. Sorry. Suppose I have made that kind of structure and I want to add, like for that now I want to add wall, structural wall, and then slab on it. Or simply you can add the floor also. In that you have to see I have made one walls and slab on one floor. Like that I have to make this on next floor also. So that I have selected this one. I have copied this and paste to selected views. Suppose I want to paste this to second floor. Like that you can place this on for the floor also. I want to take that plan views on here. Okay, so here you can see that kind of structure is made. Now I want to make an opening on suppose on the wall. So first I have selected this wall. Suppose I want to make an opening on it. Just simply go to level 1 or I want to go level 8. So there are 5 types of opening available in Revit. There are different functions of each opening in Revit app. Just like you have seen here, there is a one vertical opening. Vertical opening is a vertical opening and biface. The two openings are for the perpendicular opening to the plane and to the level. Suppose the biface opening is perpendicular to the face, means which face we have selected, at that face the opening is made. Suppose I have selected this face and now I want to draw the opening. Suppose at that level you can see the openings are made here. Okay, so this is done by biface. If you want to do this on that face, select biface, and this face these openings are only on the floors and ceilings. So you can select the face and draw the opening which you want, that is perpendicular to the face. You can see the openings are made. So this is how we can make the biface opening. Now I want to make another opening. Just like that I want to make vertical opening. This is perpendicular to the level, means at which level you are drawing, at that level it is perpendicular. Suppose I have selected this portion and made some that kind of opening. You can see the opening are made here. Okay, I have deleted this one right now. Wall opening are only in the squarish form and it is applicable on wall. Suppose I want to select wall opening and select this. In squarish form, the openings are formed. Just like that, you can see the openings are made here. So now we have the three types of opening. Dormer openings are for the roofs, which is most of the time uses in the Revit architecture. And last one is for the shaft opening. Shaft opening is what it is used for the elevators or for the staircase. If you have a staircase, suppose I want to, I will draw this in that. So you can see this how that opening is. I want to delete one wall, then you can see the openings which we have made. Sorry. You can see one. I have cut one side of wall to visualize you easily. Suppose in that portion I want to make opening for our openings for our elevators or the staircase. Go to the shaft opening and select. Suppose in that portion I have to made one elevator. I have selected this part and just simply OK. So you have to decide it at what level you want. Suppose I want it for the 8th level. I selected 8th level. You can see the openings are made here. Okay, you can see the openings are made by shaft opening. So this is how you can make the openings in our drawing.